How to change Playstore country to United Kingdom. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, open up your settings of the device, then scroll down until you find the option of additional settings. Then here you can see the option of region. So just tap on that and change it by searching on United Kingdom. Now wait until you switch the region. And now as we have changed the United Kingdom to the system, we're going to go back to the Play Store application and see if the Play Store country has been changed to United Kingdom or not. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.